Morning, all guys. Hope all you guys are enjoyed your weekend, right?
Morning, Raj.
Morning, Raj.
Okay, good. So let's start our session. Hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see the screen which I'm sharing. If not, please let me know, guys. Will reshare my screen.
Clear, Raj.
Okay, good. So from today onwards, we are going to start our sessions. Okay. So let me open the syllabus document. As we are having almost 57 hours plus 3 hours of classes, these 3 hours may take module wise or else by the end of the course. It will be based on the situation. I will take the interview questions classes as well. It's purely based on the module wise or else after completion of entire modules. First, initially we are going to give a priority for the manual testing syllabus. 1 minute, let's see if it's recording or not. Okay, cool. First, I'm giving priority to the manual testing module because all you people are new to the testing industry. Most of the people are new to the testing industry. First, you should know what is meant by testing, what are the software development life cycles, and what is the white box and black box testing. How many types of testings are there? How we are doing the project in the testing? What are the test management tools? What are the task management tools? You should know all those things initially. Okay, of course, these things are not much important for the automation, but few things are required to understand the automation part. Okay, first one, in this session, we are going to see only this one session. Okay, as only few students are joined, I don't want to miss the concept to other students. The first class and second class and third class might be go slow because the people are joining and the people are in the Monday mood today. They haven't joined. So first three classes we are going very slow because as you are new to the course, you should be habituated to my teaching. You should be habituated to this new course, right? So after completion of Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, from Thursday onward, we will move on somewhat speed as compared with today classes. Okay. Today I just want to give a small explanation about what is meant by testing, and we already discussed the software development lifecycle in our previous demo session, and we'll see small session on it. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow we are going to see this second topic. What are the software development lifecycle models? We are having two types. First one is sequential model and second one is iterative model. We can see the sequential models on the Tuesday and we can see the iterative models on the Wednesday. Okay. From third class onwards, we will move forward. We will see third class and fourth class on the Thursday and fifth class and sixth class on the Friday. Like that, we are going to move forward and we'll complete our manual testing course as early as possible. Hope you guys are clear and everyone is okay with my English. Are you guys facing any difficulties to understand my English?
Okay, Raj. Clear.
If you have
Clear,
any
Raj.
if you have any doubts, feel free to ask your doubts. I will be ready at any point of time to help you. Okay. But if you want to ask any doubts in office hours, please try to message me first. If I am free, I will react to your messages, or else you guys can connect with me on the weekend to clear your doubts. Hope you are clear. Okay. So today we are going to see the introduction part. Let me open a notepad. So first of all, what is meant by testing? Can anyone tell a definition? What is meant by testing?
Before going to the live, we need to test the web application or mobile application.
Okay.
That
Any other
is,
definition?
is it right, Raj?
Yes, yes. We are having a set of definitions. We don't have only single definition for any concept. Okay. You guys can feel free to tell your definitions. Okay. By that others know. For example, if four people are there in the class as of now, if four people gave their definitions in the four different formats, but four answers are correct. But if you four people are speaking in the class, you guys got to know other definitions as well, right? That's the reason why I'm asking all people to tell. Okay. Any other definitions? Any other definitions, guys? What is meant by testing?
Checking the things before delivering.
Okay, good. Any more? Any more, guys?
The process of evaluating and verifying the software or product or application, what it's
Okay,
supposed to do.
okay, good. So here you can see that software testing is an activity to detect and identify the defects in the software. Okay, of course the definitions what you all guys have said are correct, but if you want to give a proper format of definition in the interviews, it would be the perfect answer. If anyone asks you what is meant by testing, they are not asking when it is done. Just understand the question very easy. Okay, so what means, what is testing means, you just need to tell what you are doing in it testing, but you don't answer when it is done. If the interviewer asks you when the testing will be done, then you can tell that the testing will be done before delivery. That is correct answer and perfect answer. But if that person asks what is mean by testing, there is a difference between what and when, right? Hope you guys are clear. So if that person is asking what is testing, you should tell what you are done in testing. If that person asks when the testing is done, then you can tell that testing is done before deployment. Okay, now I am asking that what is mean by testing, then at the time you should answer that we are going to test that application to detect the errors, to detect the defects, right? So here testing is an activity to detect and identify the defects in the software, that is call it as a software testing. Hope you guys are clear about the testing definition, very very important. For example, you are telling to your relatives that you are learning the testing course. One of your relative is in the IT industry, that person is asked what is meant by testing. Then if you tell the testing is done before deployment, of course it is correct, but it's not perfect definition. Perfect definition is nothing but testing is an activity to detect and identify the defects. Or else if you are feeling that it's a large definition, then you can simply remember identify the defects. What is meant by testing means just identifying the defects. That's it. Nothing more than that. Hope you guys clear about the testing, right?
Yes, Raju.
Okay, cool. Just see a few more topics in the introduction part. What is mean by software and its types? Can software is nothing but collection of computer programs. Okay. Then I'm telling that software is a collection of computer programs. Then what is mean by program? For example, you guys are doing a program on the 31st December night. It's like a party. Okay, what you are doing in that party? You are giving some set of instruction to put some music, put some food. You are following some instructions, you are following some rules, right? Similarly, computer program is nothing but we are going to follow some set of instructions and we are providing some instructions to the system to follow. That is called it as a program. Yes, simply you can remember that software is a collection of programs. Program is nothing but a collection of instructions. Okay, if anyone asks you what is meant by program in the software, you guys can simply answer that program is nothing but a set of instructions we are giving to a machine. Now your laptop is rebooting when you are restarting, right? When you are off your laptop and when you are owning your laptop, automatically the rebooting process will be happen for the operating system, right? How it is happening? You guys are given a software. That software consists a set of programs. That program consists a set of instructions. Okay, that is called software. And we are having different types of softwares. First one, you guys can see the system software, programming software, application software. These are the three types of softwares we are having in the market. First one, system software. System software is nothing but the softwares which we are getting inbuilt with the systems. Without the systems we can't do work on it. Those systems softwares are called as a system softwares. For example, If you want to switch on your system, the operating system should be required, otherwise it won't be open, right? That is system software. And next one is utilities. For example, if you want to connect Wi-Fi to your laptop, you should have a Wi-Fi drivers. If you want to print a paper from your laptop by connecting the printer, you should have printer drivers. Okay. If you want to connect wireless mouse with you with your laptop, you should need wireless drivers. Okay, all these types of drivers are called as a system softwares. And next one is programming softwares as nothing but, you guys, if you're already from the IT background of some BTech or else BSc computer science, you may aware about some programming languages. Even if you are from mechanical, even if you're from civil, even if you're from non-IT backgrounds in the BTech also, you may have one programming knowledge on the first year, right? In that also you may found you may went for the labs like C program or C++ program, right? There you can find the compilers, debuggers, interpreters. Okay, for example Eclipse tool, for example IntelliJ tool, for example online compilers. All these things are called as a programming softwares. We are having a tool dev C++ to run a C++ programs, Eclipse to run a Java, Python, PyCharm to run the Python programs. We are having different compilers and different debuggers. These softwares are called as a programming software. And next one is application software. Application softwares are nothing but which we are going to install on the laptop after booting process is happened. For example, if you want to go through any Flipkart application, you should go through www.flipkart.com. That is one of the application. Okay, in your laptop you may install some tools like that, VLC player to play movie in your laptop. That is one of the web application, sorry, desktop application. In similar, in mobiles you are downloading many applications like Instagram, WhatsApp. Sometimes it may comes from the system, sometimes it may come, it's may not. You have to install by go through the Play Store or App Store, right? These things are called as a application software. Okay, and next one is software testing. I already discussed it just now. What is meant by software testing? It is just to identify the defects. Okay, and software testing is a one of the part of SDLC. We already discussed the software development life cycle. The first one is requirement analysis, design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Testing is a part which is comes next to the development. Okay, and what is meant by software quality? How can you justify that the software has a quality? That software is the software has very quality. For example, if you want to tell a quality of a milk, how can you tell? How can you justify the quality of the milk? By taking the ghee from it. Is it or not?
Yes, Raju.
Right? In similarly, in software, if you want to identify the quality, then you should assume the justification of the customer. Justification of the customer is nothing but you developed a software. That software is went to the live. The people are using it. Okay. Whenever the people are using it, it should be bug free. No bug should be there, no defect should be there in that application. And if that application is delivered on time, is nothing but the customer is waiting for that application for 2 months. You should be delivered that product within 2 months. And next one is within budget. The customer is offering 2 crores to complete that project. You should complete within 2 crores. And fourth one, meet requirements or expectations. Whatever the customer is expecting from our company to develop an application, we should give all the requirements which is required to that customer. And last one, maintainable. Whenever we are doing the project, we should give a clearance to the customer that you can maintain this application very easily. Okay, these are the some of the attributes or characteristics we are having for the customer justification to provide a software quality. Okay, and next one is why do we need testing? Very simple answer, to provide a quality product to the customer. Okay, and very important guys, if you are applying for the manual testing jobs, the compulsory mandatory question this one. Even if you are fresher or experienced, whoever it is, They will try to confuse you what is meant by error and what is meant by bug or defect and what is meant by failure. Very, very important questions. If you are maintaining any note today, I'm suggesting all you people are please try to maintain a notes and write the points which I'm telling very important at the time of interviews. Those are helpful to you very easily at the time of interview. Okay. What is meant by error? Error is nothing but incorrect human action. Whenever the developer or developing the code for that application, okay, that person missed some syntax is nothing but some rule. After completing that line in that program, we should put the semicolon. For example, this is a rule, but that developer forgot to keep that semicolon in that line. Is it the human error or not? Right? So that is called it as an error, incorrect human action. Next one, bug or defect. Bug or defect is nothing but it's a deviation from expected output. For example, in Flipkart we are having the login page. Let's consider that login page consists username and password. Okay, actually it's not there username and password, it should be there the mobile number. Okay, but just assume that in Flipkart we are having the username and password. Whenever we are given the correct username and correct password, what you guys are expecting from it? It should be login to the home page. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
But even if you have given the correct username and correct password, you are not getting into the home page. So it is a deviation from expected output or not?
Yes.
Then it is called as a bug or defect. Then it is called as a bug or defect. And next one is failure. Everything is working fine in testing environment. When delivered to the customer, the deviation is found by the user. I will tell an example. Same login page, username and password. When I've given the correct username and correct password while the tester is testing, it's working fine. So as it is working fine, the company is planning to deliver that product into the live to the customer. It's delivered to the customer. Whenever that users are using that application, that user is facing issue that he is not able to log in even if that person is given the correct username and correct password. That is called it as a failure. If that customer or end users are finding the errors after delivering the product, then it is called it as a failure for that project. Hope you guys clear about error, bug or defect and failure, right?
Yes, sir.
And next one is why the software has bugs. Actually, why the software has bugs, why it's not a bug free while developing itself? Because it's a miscommunication or no communication happen between the developer and tester. That is the first one. And second one is software complexity. Software is nothing but it should not be only login page, it should have hundreds of features. Sometimes let's assume that IRCTC application, railway ticket booking, we are having set of features in it. It's a huge complexity process, right? And next one is programmer errors, like is incorrect human actions and changing requirements. For example, the customer is given some requirements in the January month of 2023, but you want to change that their requirements on March 2023 again. So as it is happened, it's fine. But again, he want to change their requirements again on the August 2023. If that person is changing the requirements frequently, then we can't provide the software with quality. And last one is lack of skilled testers. Is nothing but the most of the people are working in the testing industry, but the most of the people are not a skilled tester, because some people are coming to office and going just doing some work and some helping some giving support to the team and they are going, that's it. Okay, they are not intended to do the testing to get a defects, proper defects in the application. Okay, lack of skill. These 4 points, these 5 points are the reasons for why the software has bugs. And this is also, it's not an important question in the interviews, but you should know what is mean by service based company, what is mean by product based company. Service based company is nothing but they are providing the service and develop softwares for other companies. There is a TCS. TCS is a service based company. They are providing service and develop software for the other companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato. I am telling example. TCS not providing the service to the Zomato, Flipkart and all those things. I'm telling an example that TCS is a company. They are developing the Amazon.com. They are developing the Flipkart.com to the Flipkart and Amazon companies. That is service-based company. Product-based companies is nothing but they develop software products and sell it to many companies. They itself they develop their own products and selling it to the other companies. Let's assume Microsoft companies developed the Teams product. It's a communication chart to the employees in the companies. Everyone is aware about the Teams, right?
Raju.
Right. So the Teams is a product which is developed by the Microsoft, and they are selling that Teams to the other companies. As like our companies, we are using it for communication purpose. Hope you guys clear. Clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Any
Yes,
doubts so
Raju.
far? In today, we have seen what are softwares and the types. Three types of softwares are there: system softwares, programming softwares, and application softwares. And what is meant by software testing? Software testing is nothing but identifying the defects. And next one is software quality. How can you define the software quality? Can anyone?
It should be bug free and delivered in time.
Yes,
And
those are the some of the points for the software quality. And why do we need
yes,
testing? To provide the quality product to the
customer.
customer. And error bug failure, you guys already know. I just explained that error is nothing but incorrect human action. Bug is deviation from expected output. Failure is that error found from the customer side. Why the software has bugs? Due to the miscommunication, due to the software complexity, due to the lack of skilled tester. Service and product based companies is nothing but service based companies will provide the services to the other companies. Product based companies they develop the products themselves and sell it to the other companies. This is the one of the introduction class. So hope you guys are clear about my communication while explaining in the English. If you are feeling any difficulties to understand my English, then please let me know. We'll change it. Okay. And next one is in tomorrow class, we are going to see what is SDLC and their models and waterfall model and spiral model. We are going to see these two tomorrow. On Wednesday, we are going to see V model and iterative model. Total, we are having four models. We are having set of models, but mainly the four models came up to the picture, and we are having Agile model as well. We are going to discuss that Agile model as well. Okay. Here you can see waterfall model, V model, spiral, agile, and prototype. Okay, but we are going to discuss only four in the course. The most of the people out of 190% of people are using agile only, but you should know these things as well as what previously used models. Okay, that's the reason I added these things as well. Okay, hope you guys clear. Any more doubts in the today class?
Clear, Raju. I'm clear.
Any doubts? Is it fine? You guys are getting the things what I'm explaining.
Yes, Raju.
Yeah,
Getting.
BD, you joined late, I think, right? Or else you
yeah,
joined.
I joined late, but
I,
yeah, it's very much understandable today.
okay, you got it right. What I'm explaining.
Yes, yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, please reach out me. Hope you guys are joined. If you guys are paid your fees and joined and given the confirmation to your institute, then what your institute people will do is your institute people will create a WhatsApp group where includes me. Okay, I'm also there in that group. If you have any doubts, you guys can post your doubt in that group. I will answer to your doubts. Okay, I'm going to share this material not now. I'm going to share this material by Wednesday. Okay, so as of now, if you have any doubts, you can see the recording session. I'm going to share this recording session to your institute peoples. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you all.